I challenge you to live here, the enchantment of a white cave house. Imagine stepping into a world where history and nature blend seamlessly, where a home is not just a shelter, but an extension of the landscape itself. In the heart of Gorija, nestled within an ancient Greek cave, lies a breathtaking white cave house that defies conventional living. This unique dwelling offers a rare opportunity to experience the harmony of traditional architecture and modern comfort, all while being surrounded by the rugged beauty of nature. With its organic design and earthy aesthetics, the cave house invites you to embrace a slower, more intentional way of living, one that reconnects you with simplicity and tranquility. The outdoor living space is nothing short of enchanting. Built directly into the side of the cave, this open-air area is furnished with plush white linen couches adorned with soft pillows, creating a serene space for relaxation. A small tree, growing naturally within the stone enclosure, adds a touch of greenery, bridging the gap between the built environment and the natural world. The sunlight filters through the opening, casting dynamic shadows that shift throughout the day, creating an ever-changing interplay of light and texture. Whether you choose to unwind with a book, sip a warm cup of tea, or simply soak in the beauty of the surroundings, this space embodies the essence of peaceful living. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a carefully curated interior that perfectly balances comfort and minimalism. The entrance, wide enough to walk through with ease, leads into a cozy and inviting space. On one side, a comfortable bed rests against the textured white walls, offering a restful retreat at the end of the day. Across the room, two wooden tables with matching chairs provide a functional yet aesthetically pleasing dining area. Each table is adorned with lush green plants, bringing life into the cave's naturally cool atmosphere. Hanging lights above cast a warm, ambient glow, ensuring that the space remains cozy and welcoming even after the sun sets. What makes this cave house truly special is the way it merges with its environment. Unlike conventional homes that impose themselves upon nature, this dwelling respects and adapts to its surroundings. The thick stone walls naturally regulate temperature, keeping the interior cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The raw, unpolished surfaces serve as a reminder of the cave's ancient origins, grounding residents in a sense of history and timelessness. The simplicity of the furnishings allows the beauty of the space itself to take center stage, proving that luxury does not have to be extravagant sometimes. It is found in the most unassuming places. Outside, the scenery completes the magic. The sun bathes the landscape in golden light, while the surrounding trees cast intricate shadows across the ground. The gentle breeze carries the scent of earth and leaves, reinforcing the deep connection between home and nature. This is not just a place to live, it is a place to experience. It challenges you to slow down, to appreciate the small details, and to live in harmony with your environment. In a world where modern life often feels overwhelming, this white cave house offers a rare escape, a chance to rediscover the simple joys of existence.